Dell Technologies creates end-to-end tech solutions that drive human progress and solve society's biggest problems. Its software and hardware products connect consumers and businesses across the world. Today, Dell handles over 5 million daily transactions with virtually no downtime. In 2020, Dell experienced record levels of demand while serving its customers around the world. Dell's partnership with OpenText allowed it to adapt quickly to handle the increase in transactions and data exchange. As we look forward, Dell Technologies' digital transformation will unite its global team in solving complex problems with powerful solutions.